Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Students, this is a June 2022. You can see variant 53 and question number 4. Okay, what a question we have here, students. He is saying very clear that Ramesh throws an ordinary fair six-sided die. Okay, and what is the final probability that he obtains for on first time? I said many times, so whenever the word first time come or the word until come, so this is a topic of geometrical probability. Okay, so let's start. And he's getting 4. We are giving priority to 4, but on an eighth throw. Okay, so for geometrical probability, there are two formulas. One at 4, at R, so formula is Q to power R minus 1 into P. And one formula is more than R, and that formula is Q to power R. So this, because he talked about exactly at eighth throw, not more. Maybe he used here more, this more word. When more words come, then we can work for it. But now he said here at exactly eighth row. So I will take this upper formula. But question comes how to get a P and Q. So it's because my favor is a 4 obtain. So 4 obtain, and is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what is the chances of 4? Chances of 4 is actually 1 out of 6. So in this sense, P is my favor and Q is become not favor. So Q are other numbers. So 5 over 6. So I think I can use the formula. So plug in here 8 and 8 minus 1 and rest you know it very well. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, Q to power 8 minus 1 into P. So if I type this in calculator, so I'm getting here 5 by 6 to power 7 into, so 0.0465. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, I believe the point is very clear. So first A part is over. Let's talk about B part. B part is saying that probability, it takes no more than 5 throws to get a 4. Again, my P for probability of favor of 4 and Q is naturally, 4. Probability of 4 is 1 by 6. So 1 over 6 and here 5 over 6. But he's saying what situation? No more than 5 throws. Repeat my words, because geometrical probability, whenever we start from never 0. We start from 1, 2, 3, continue. Okay, because he said no more than 5 throws. It means no more than 5 throws means, students, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and okay. So no, he's saying no more than 5 throws. So no more than 5 throws means no more than 5 throws. No more than 5 throws. No more than 5 throws. Okay. So it means 5 and you can say less than 5. 5 and less than 5. So these probabilities, these numbers I need. Okay. And the onwards number I don't need. So this technique, okay, I have two ways I have. Either I use this formula 5 times, but it's too lengthy job. I repeat my words. If I use this formula 5 times, how 5 times? So one time this formula used for 1, one time 2, 3, 4, 5. You will get the exact answer, not wrong at all. But second option, can I say, because sum of the all probability is 1, you know it very well. So can I say which I don't want? Can I pronounce these numbers are probability X more than 5? Correct or not? Exactly correct. So look at now, I repeat my words, more than 5. This is called more than 5 because 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 continues called more than 5. So I think it is a very clear. So I will use more than. So this formula will help us. So I'm starting first, I write formula X more than R is equal to Q to power R. So, but thing is that I don't need these answers. Can I do one thing? I find these answers and subtract from one, I get my answer. Over. I repeat, I find these cross number values and subtract from one to get this answer. So I think plan is so simple. So let's try to complete it and how I can do it. So probability, what he's asking for, 1 minus probability x is more than 5. And I believe the point is very clear. And this formula is what, q to power r. So q is what? Q is 5 to power 6. So 5 over 6 and power 5. And if I simplify, I will get my answer. Type in calculator 0.598. This is my final answer. And I believe you're understanding. So I can do two ways. If I find all five and add them, but too lengthy, I found which I don't need and subtract from one, which we can say that p is more than 5. So this formula will help us to get the answer. So this is done. Now I can go for next part and last part where some student getting problems because for 4 marks. So this question, what to read it here. Ramesh now repeatedly throws two ordinary dice of six-sided dice same time. So he's doing two time. So two dice we have. Whenever two dice come, students, we can make a table of this, and this will not for three, only for two. Each time he adds the two numbers that is obtained, add, so we have to add. Okay, so okay, and for the 10 or randomly chosen throws, it means he's throwing two dice same time. How many times he'll throw? 10. So I can see here n value is 10. Okay, let me read complete for then, inshallah come to the question. He said, find the probability Ramesh obtain a total of less than four. Less than four. So first of all, I think you will not understand properly until unless I just try to show the idea. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you add these two numbers, students, I get 2. Add these two numbers, I get a 3. And add this and this, I get 3. Okay, these three numbers is my concern. You ask why, sir? You look ahead. Mention here the total is less than 4. Less than 4. So less than 4, the probability of the total is less than 4 is three numbers, and total numbers inside is 36. So I can say here 3 over 36 or 1 over 12. So P is my favor. So this becomes 1 by 12 and Q becomes 1 minus 1 over 12 become 11 over 12. So this is my first job. But what he's saying, actually, out of 10 throws, he said at least four of these repeat. Out of 10 throws, at least he get three throws out of 10. Three throws at least three throws. At least three throws, student. What does mean? I just show you number line. Inshallah, understand. 0, 1, 2, 3. Let me make a long line. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Why I wrote 10, student? Because the 10 throws total. You know it very well. So he said at least three throws. At least three means I need 3, 4, 5. I need all numbers. 1 minute, please. So let me shift this in below, and then I explain to you properly. So let's start. So in this concept, we have to discuss this concept. So have a look. I at least three means I need all these numbers, which I don't need. These numbers I don't, and you know that sum of the all values equals to 1. Can I do one thing? The probability is equals to 1 minus which I don't need. It means I can say here probability x is equals to 0, probability x is equals to 1, probability x is equals to 2. So this is the planning, but make sure this question is no more geometrical probability. That is why I brought 0. I just give you summary once again. When a geometrical probability comes, students, geometrical probability, we start from 1. But when the binomial probability comes, binomial. Formula is NCR, Q to power N minus R, P to power R, and this may start from zero. Not may, confirm start from zero. Whenever you do, geez, we need it, okay. So let's start now. I repeat again the question. The total throws are 10. So it means M value we have 10. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. And let me tell you, did he use any word here like until or first time in all this paragraph? Not at all. So we are not concerned. This is a topic of the first two parts are geometrical probability, but third probability is a third one is a we have here. Wait a minute, please. Third one we have is our topic of binomial probability. So now let's start. So it means, and we have, what the way we can do it. So 10C0, two brackets, 10C1, two brackets, 10C2, two brackets. Okay, what is this difference comes on the top? So 10 minus 0 and 0, 10 minus 1 and 1, 10 minus 2 and 2. In first, we got write a Q, which is 11 by 12 and 1 by 12 the P. So 11 by 12, 1 by 12. 11 by 12, 1 by 12. And I believe is now very clear now. And if I type in calculator, and I am typing in, if I type in calculator, final answer comes 0.0445, which is our final answer. Just give a last point once again. He said the n throws, 10 throws is done. Out of 10, at least 3 is must give us a total of 4, at less than 4, less than 4. So I think clear, less than 4 probability is P is here, Q is here, and 10, and R is at least 3 means all these options. But I can't do so many options. So what I have choice? 1 minus which I don't need will give our answer. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen, question is completely over.